Hello everyone, welcome to IICS tutorial series. In the last session, we have discussed on how we can generate the sequence number with the help of expression transformation. Today we are going to see on that sorter transformation. When we see the sorter transformation, it is active and connected. And we know that in SQL, that order by classes. With help of that order by classes, we can make the column in the form of the ascending order or descending order. Like that in IICS, we have the sorted transformation it is presented. With help of this one, we can make the column in the form of the ascending order and descending order. We have the two ways, that is two options it is presented to make the sort data. In source qualifier itself first, the source qualifier itself only we can make the sort option. Otherwise, if I want to make the sort the data at between the mapping, okay, in between the mapping, if I want to make the sort the data, I can use a sorter transformation and we can sort the data in ascending order or descending order like that. Okay, mainly we are using this sorter transformation to improving the performance because whenever we are using that the transformations like the joiner, rank, aggregator, that time the performance issues it will be happening. So to improve the performance, we can use a sorter transformation in front of this transformations, that is aggregator, joiner, rank. So in front, if you are using the sorter transformations, it will be improve the performance. And also we have some other properties that is presented in this transformation. We'll see the practically while in the creating the mapping. Okay, first we can create the mapping for that. Create the mapping, and you can see that the source and target, and also change your mapping name m underscore sorter trans. Okay, now take your source object. Here I have given the connection, it is a Oracle and flat file. I am taking that Oracle database only, and the object it is employees table. Take the employees table, and I already said that we have the in source qualifier itself the sorter option it is presented. Okay, here itself we can apply the sorter transformation, that is sorting options. Otherwise we can use the transformation sorter in between the pipeline. Okay, take the sorter transformations here, and first it is general. General it is what is the transformation you are taking. Second, it is incoming field. Incoming field it is nothing but what are the data it is coming from your downstrings. Third, it is sort, that is which column you want to make in the form of that ascending order or descending order. Okay, so I am making the salary column in the form of that descending order I am making. Okay, next advanced options. Okay, in this advanced options, this case sensitive, first we see those case sensitive. This case sensitives it will be helpful for whenever you are making that the sorting order in the form of the first name, last name, email, so like in the character format. So this case sensitive will be helpful for making the sort the data in the form of the ascending or descending. And also the data it will be in the place, the work directories in a $pm temp dir, and distinct. Distinct means if I want to present the data without having any duplicates, so we can make the distinct recorder. Okay, because of distinct options only, the sorted transformation it is called as active one, and null treated lows, because whenever we are working in SQL or IICS, null is always treated like that highest values only. If you want to make that null it is treated as lowest values, means you can make this option. Okay, it will be treated as a null it is lowest. Okay, Now we can take our target. Here my target it is Oracle I am taking. Okay, Oracle I am taking and select the target here. My target table it is T underscore employees. Otherwise we can give the option it is create the target new. At runtime we can create it. I am giving the target is T underscore EMP sort. Okay, this is my target table name. This will be generated after running the mapping. Now see here in the target field there is no data as it is presented because we have given the target it is create at runtime. Whenever you are using that create at runtime, like that options you are making the target means that time we don't have the target field as well as we are not using that field mapping. Okay, now save your mapping. So once the mapping it is saved, see here the valid, the mapping it is getting to the valid. Now start to run the mapping. Now it will move to the my job. Okay, refresh your mapping 1 or 2 times. First it will be starting, then it will be queue, then it will be running, then we can get the status succeed or warning or rejected, that is failed. Now see here the 105 record it's coming from the source. Okay, and 105 record it is populated to the target. And we have applied that sorted transformation, it is the salary column making the descending order. Okay, now we can check our SQL. Before that, first know that what is your target table name. T underscore EMP underscore sort. Okay, now take your target. My target it is core schema. Now enter that target table. Select star from T underscore EMP underscore sort. Now see here, once we run the statement, we got the salary in the form of the descending order, we got it. Okay, and also when we see that the commission percentage, first it is presented, the null values it is treated, because see in that sorted transformation and that properties. Sort it is making in the form descending order, and in that advanced properties we make that null it is treated low. That's the reason we got the output in the form of null it is first, then the actual value it is presented. Now see in the Oracle SQL. Now the commission percentage column, first it is taking that null values, lowest value it is null, then after it will take the not null values and all it is taking in this column. Like that the sorted transformation it is working. Okay, today we discussed on the sorted transformation and how it is working and with properties. In the upcoming session we will see that next transformations. Okay, thank you for watching. If this session is really helpful for you, please subscribe it, comment it and share it and like it. Thank you so much.